Right. Want me to open it? Wait, don't touch that, please.
Why? Are you going to affect on me?
Let's see, you get over here. Let's see if we can open it. I'm gonna open it like that.
Oh. Oh, it's Mama Builder.
Is it?
What is it? Is it for me?
I think it might be.
You put it through. Whoa, it's a scissor. It's going to cut my fingernails off. It's a playset.
Is it?
It's a playset. This. Whoa. It's a builder thing. Whoa, Mommy. Whoa, Mommy.
What is it? It's very big.
It's for me.
Is it?
And that's a train. And look, it's a
You like-
toy.
Is it?
Yeah.
What's it for? Does it go outside?
Yeah.
Yeah. Can you
Let's
say?
go.
Who do you think it's from?
Let's do it.
Who do you think it's from?
Let's open it.
All right. Who do you think it's from?
From fuck.
Who?
From a fuck.
From a truck.
Yeah. And there is.
It is.
And that's some of it.
Yeah. Do you think it's from maybe Grandma and Poppy?
There is.
Yeah, it is. What do you say to them?
Thank you.
Blow them a kiss, maybe? Come here. There it is. Now go back and see it. Go stand near it. And blow them a kiss. Blow them a kiss. Good boy.